All right, currently analysis live of what's happening right now. It is 9:55 a.m. So basically with Nvidia, this was just a quick call right now, right? So once it broke the moving average of 20, you could immediately bought this call to the moving average of 40. As you can see, it got there, and now it's like a little bit retreating, but it still got there initially. So it went from 807 to 815. That was a nice call real quick. And now with this red candle, we're gonna see what happens. If it breaks the moving average of 100, then it's gonna go down to the moving average to 788 where it started, right? But if it breaks the moving average of 40, then we have a nice zone all the way to 834 plus the moving average 200, yeah, 831, which is a really nice call, right? So now we're just gonna see what happens with Nvidia. Then with Tesla has this nice zone right here. If it breaks 164, it has a nice zone all the way to 167. But if it breaks the moving average of 20, then we can buy a nice put to 158 and then 156. And then with Coin basically did what was taught yesterday, which is basically openings, right? I had an opening, huge opening, went from 224 to 216, had a huge green candle, and then the next one has to be red, right? Then you bought this put 218 to 215. You made easily 100% with the put. That's basically what happens with the openings, which is pretty simple, a pretty simple strategy. Okay, I'll get back later on, and thank you so much. And this is basically like the live version of what's happening right now. Then I'll come back later on to see what the analysis setter did. And basically with Coin also, if it breaks 213, it has to go down to 210. But if it breaks this 219, then you immediately buy a call all the way to 222. That's exactly what's going to happen with Coin. As you can see, a green candle's coming up. Tesla, same thing, what happened. And yeah, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day. All right, seeing live what happened after the stock market closed, just to see the analysis and what happened after. So basically, the analysis of SPY. Remember, I said right here to 499 and then up to 498. If it broke 498, it was going to go down all the way to 495. But if it broke the 499 mark, it was going to go to 501. And that's exactly what happened. And we made lots of money. We made $700 in this trade right here. So once it broke here, we went all the way up from 499 all the way to 501. And that was a beautiful trade. After it broke this, moving average of 20, 200, and 100. Then it was a nice call right here to the moving average of 40. Then we bought another call right here. But then we just sold it because there was a zone right here. As you can see, there was a big zone right here. And that's why we sold it, because it couldn't surpass the zone. Now going on Tesla, same thing happened, right? I said the same thing, zone right here, right? If it passes 164, we buy a call to 167. If it doesn't, and it breaks the moving average of 20, then we buy a put to the moving average of 40. And what happened was simple. It broke right here, and then we just bought a call to 167 and made some profits, right? Pretty simple. All right, and that was basically the whole thing, right? Then the same thing with Nvidia, broke the average of 120. We bought a call to the average of 40, broke the average of 40, and we bought a call to the average of 200. And here we made like $600. It was pretty nice. Strategy works, and this was the live version of it because you guys were requesting it in some videos. And you're welcome, and have a very, very amazing day. Thank you so much. Thank you.